Somebody's initials, and then she tried to make it harder.
Okay. All right, let's go ahead and let's share with each other as a celebration of positive movement and social change. We'll go ahead and start with this table in the corner. Ty, you want to share with us?
Read both.
Yeah, let's go ahead and share.
We put minority is equaling out with the majority population in in the workplace.
Mhm.
I read something in one of my other classes how in 2050 the majority will become closer to the minority.
Mhm.
So we're kind of equaling out. Then as well as you see more top end executives that are of color and women get into the workplace, get higher spots.
Mhm.
Equal pay for men and women. It's not there yet, but it's getting closer.
Mhm.
The current generation is more self-aware with ethical issues, kind of get more involved. People with disabilities have the opportunity to be more involved, more career jobs, so there's more possibilities they can be getting into. Then number two, don't instantly judge a person by first impressions, and listen to other opinions and respect their side even if you don't agree.
Right. So tolerance. We don't have to agree with everybody. We're not asking people to change their values. We're just asking you to be respectful, have some tolerance, be able to be in a room with somebody even if you disagree with them. Wonderful accounts. And sometimes we forget when we see something in the news and it's like a hate crime and we're like, gosh, how could this be 2020? And you see this, but maybe we need a reminder that there has been progress. I really appreciate you listing out the different ways that this has moved in a positive direction. Okay, let's move to the table in the front. What were your thoughts?
We put segregation no more, equal opportunities between sexes, legalize gay marriage, and women in Iran and Pakistan are able to drive without a man as of last year. The question to talking about social justice on social media and educating children, continuing to have influencers, and being well informed about social justice.
Thank you for bringing in children. Fabulous. Thank you. You afraid of public speaking? What's going on?
Vote for women. She got voted and she's a woman.
Vote for women, Jim Crow laws being abolished, legalization of gay marriage, and more equality in the workplace. Sorry. Equal pay for equal, we need better equal pay for equal women, and it's better, but it needs to be equal. More minorities in power. We are getting more, but we also need to be.
We recognize the need for improvement too.
Make college more accessible to low-income students without a huge amount of debt.
Yeah. Oh, that one just hits me just a little bit. Just
Part of the community college,
yeah.
Because it's cheaper than university, but you still end up not quite in debt.
What do you think would be a solution to that? Because that's obviously something that's affecting everybody in the room in some way.
Well, in New York, if you are a citizen of New York's community colleges are free. As long as you are a citizen of I think it's 60 even living there. And I think that should be pretty standard. Your taxes would be increased, but it's literally like $30 for every person every year extra for taxes to pay for students. It's not really much.
Well, we're talking about our young, maybe we're not going to see it right now, but that's something that we can start instilling in lawmakers.
I've seen other countries do different things like trade workers.
Yeah.
Instead of having to go to community college, they could go and instantly work in a trade
like a
job.
job project.
Yeah, and get a type of degree, and that would cut costs of colleges. They wouldn't have to be paying those teachers and having the areas and types of or size of buildings and all that equipment.
I'm kind of like that, like having programs where like if you've been working for, and then you like want to go back to school, being able to actually get credits for like testable skills instead of having to like literally start over and being like, I have these skills, I just, didn't go to school for them.
Right.
Schools like, I guess, Kaplan or whatever, Purdue, I guess, Google does something like that,
Yeah.
but you're still privatized for one, and still very expensive.
We have some military credits here. It's, we don't have a lot of what you're talking about with the different types of schools, but that's, definitely, this is where you're the voices, you're the influence, you'll be having children that can make these impressions. And, some of these, we're talking years and years of social change and movement, but this is where we do it. We figure it out right here with each other. I like this direction. Let's move to this group. What were your thoughts?
Well, for number one, I thought that what really kind of contributes and helps social justice is how we're all raised now with everything that's happened. As you can probably tell, the majority of the older generation probably still has some of these feelings where, like my parents, they raised me to treat everyone equally, and that's how I see everybody as equally. Whereas my grandparents are kind of old-fashioned, and they tend to veer off to an opinion that I don't agree with.
It's tough because these are people we love, and we care for, and that have loved us, and they're displaying things that, we don't want to carry through in our children. So we have some very difficult decisions to make as we move forward. It's not always easy to say, what Grandma and Grandpa is saying isn't right, but it has to be there. So I appreciate that you recognize that from generation to generation. So what can we do to contribute?
Well, your kids accordingly.
So a lot of this was focused on children and education. So I appreciate that a lot. Okay. Well, this is not to be ever concluded on social movement, moving in the right direction. But for now, we will table it, and we're going to move into the informative topics and give you some direction as far as what you need to do for our next class period. We have a next class period because pay attention. There's supposed to be a little ice storm coming, so just pay attention to that. So first of all, I'd like you to, with your group members, has anybody changed their minds on their topics? Okay, so we're still pretty solid on our topics.
I wasn't here.
Ah!
I was sick.
Okay, well, I tell you what, I'll give you each a new card because we're gonna fill that out even further. We just have to make sure that your topic isn't the same as anybody else's topic. I'd like you to know what each other's topic is. Now, questions. Do you love this topic? Okay, crazy love it. Could you love it for just be in love with it for 12 weeks? That's one of the things that you have to get a handle on in this one. Is it researchable? Meaning, can you find it in the academic library? A good thing, not just like a line or two that you're like, oh yeah, I could use it now. Can you find it in the academic library, and is it something that you would be proud to present to your dream employer? So if you're answering all those questions, yes, then we're going in the right direction. So with your group members, share your topics. If you're not quite there yet, what can we do to get you to that topic? Let your group members talk. So let's start with that first. Why don't you go ahead and listen to what your peers' topics are, and then generate some ideas.
I'm doing a teacher should be more
My dad wrote them. They're out there.
Persuasive would just be reasons.
What I was gonna do like
Yeah,
body
maybe
of
we'll
water,
be
because
proud
like
in it. So it'd
during the
be
summer,
exactly
let's go
that.
to lakes and do stuff like that. And I don't want to do it. It's supposed to be active.
How do you
No,
about
yeah.
Always like learning about nutrition and different
Okay,
the
so
negative
ways to
effects
strengthen the body.
of watching porn? Yeah.
That's something I started last year, so I was trying to get better. I'm trying to get this out. I can't clean up my lifestyle a little bit.
That would be great.
Yeah, sure.
But I feel like this class is like pretty more control, so I feel like it'll be okay. It'll be weird.
Write down your names and your most current topic ideas, and then we'll continue on adding to that. And then when you are all with some kind of idea, I know there's a couple of you that need to check with me, do the wave.
Like this right on, or we just do that?
Yeah, I asked her about it.
Is anyone doing like anything about like fitness, like nutrition and working out and stuff like that?
No, I don't think so.
Are we all on Zoom classes?
These two.
Is anybody doing something with health, fitness? Don't remember that.
Watch someone try to front flip off a pool table. I watched someone try to front flip off a pool table. He didn't land it, he just landed on his back. Because that was something that struggled.
Okay, write it down.
I got one that goes up to the trash.
Sorry, Mary.
What do you need? So,
Not the cafeteria, like go to work. I really feel like we should
So,
go to the cafeteria. So
lady
you go all the way
Bless
to
you,
the end,
whoever's
like,
sneezing.
if you go to the end, you can, there's a place you can walk in, it looks really nice. They must train and stuff.
It's still good, because you usually.
Just not my thing.
it's like shampoo, just someone going in someone's head and one going
It looks like we almost have everything written down, right? We have everything written down? We're getting there. Two more notes. Does anybody not have a good idea?
We're investigating it, it's doable.
Okay.
Is that what we're doing?
By we, I mean my laptop.
Should have done that once.
Who's your topic?
I've never liked them, but maybe I should. Yeah. Take a lot of risks.
So that,
No, I could do that later for his job. That's just what we're talking about.
what is my agriculture with this guy?
Okay, we're going to go ahead and start